to ASAP XP!
Grabe! Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that it's Jing.
Eh, ano ginagawa mo? Ay, si Papa pinamam.
Magbago na men's health. Guys, I'm so happy na, of course, magkakasama na naman tayo. Linggo na naman. And mga kapamilya, we are just so proud to tell you and bring you more of the celebration of 60 years of Pinoy soap opera with 4 major teleseries coming your way this year, starting with the cast of Kung Tayong Magkakalayo led by Kim and Gerald.
Kaya naman nandito din ang full cast ng Tanging Yaman with Roel Santiago, Agot Isidro, EJ Falcon, and Chong T and Erich Gonzalez. At syempre special farewell din ng Dahil May Isang Ikaw with Sid, Karil, Jericho, and Christine Hermosa. And of course, ang star ng Habang May Buhay at face of 60 years of Pinoy soap opera, Miss Judy Ranchado!
Come on! Only on ASAP XP. Abangan din ang special SOS sa Sarah G. Yup, It Girls, Super Dance Plus, at ang celebration ng 75th birthday ng rock and roll icon Elvis Presley as YRS meets Rated PG!
At di lang yan dahil may 3 malaking birthday celebration magaganap ngayong hapon. At syempre kasama dyan ang birthday party ng the one and only ultimate heartthrob, Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Yes. Abangan niyo po yan. At ito pa, ang birthday bash ng very lovely... Wag! Ayan na naman si Papa P. Nagpapa-conscious na naman. Ayan, abangan niyo po ang birthday bash ng very lovely na si Miss Melissa Ricks. At heto na, Luis.
Ang isa pa doing what he does best. Please welcome the birthday boy, Von Navarro, together with Mr. Gary Valenciano, Ate Shawi, Kim Chu, Gerald Anderson, and Miss Sasha Padilla.
Salute!